Now here's some good news. More money is heading our way to help those still recovering from Hurricane Harvey. State lawmakers approved $2 billion worth of funding for Harvey recovery around the state. And today, Speaker of the House Dennis Bonin was in Rockport promoting some of the help the city and surrounding areas will be receiving, including a disaster recovery loan program for communities that suffered significant infrastructure damage.
We're never ready for a hurricane to strike. Tell them to go away. We don't want them here. But we are in a better prepared position than we've been in the past. But we're never going to be perfect, but we are in a better spot than we've been in the past because of the great work of these legislators.
Lawmakers agreed through FEMA to match funds spent by smaller communities for rebuilding. Very cool news there.